Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. This is a video on averages. Okay, averages is a very important part of your BBA entrance exam preparation. आप एग्जाम का नाम लो, आप सेट एग्जाम दो, BBA CET एग्जाम दो, NPET एग्जाम दो, क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी का एग्जाम दो, कोई भी BBA एंट्रेंस एग्जाम अगर आप दोगे वहां पे आपको डेफिनेटली एवरेजेस के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं. एवरेजेस प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. ठीक है, तो आज हम इसका एक ट्रायल सेशन टाइप लेंगे. इसमें हम कंसेप्ट समझेंगे एवरेज का, फॉलोड बाय 5 to 6 क्वेश्चंस ऑन एवरेजेस. ठीक है, तो लेट अस स्टार्ट एवरेजेस. तो एवरेज का कंसेप्ट क्या है, यहाँ पे मुझे आपको 4 चीजें बतानी है. पहली चीज, एवरेज इज टोटल ऑफ क्वांटिटीज अपॉन नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज, या फिर सम ऑफ क्वांटिटीज अपॉन नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज, है ना. हम इसको एवरेज इज इक्वल टू टोटल अपॉन नंबर ऐसा भी लिखते हैं. ठीक है, इसी से हमारा ANT मेथड निकलेगा. वो मैं आगे जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे तब आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. ठीक है, इसी से हमारा ANT मेथड निकलने वाला है. सो एवरेज इज नथिंग बट टोटल ऑफ क्वांटिटीज अपॉन नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज. ठीक है, ये पहली चीज है. एग्जाम्पल के साथ देख लेते. लेट अस से आई हैव 12, देन आई हैव 11, देन आई हैव 23, आई हैव 14 एंड 15. ठीक है, ऐसे मेरे पास क्वांटिटीज है, इनका एवरेज निकालना है. तो इनका एवरेज विल बी 12 प्लस 10, 11 प्लस 23 प्लस 14 अपॉन 15, है ना. सम ऑफ क्वांटिटीज हो जाएगा ये अपॉन नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 क्वांटिटीज है भाई. तो 11 प्लस 12 23, 23 प्लस 23 46, 46 प्लस 14 इज 60, 60 प्लस 15 इज 75, 75 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, एवरेज हमारा 15 ही आया. एवरेज जो है हमारा 15 ही आया. ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट हियर वुड बी दैट एवरेज always lies between the largest value and the smallest value, है ना. Average always lies between the largest value and the smallest value. Pay attention here. If you see the average is 15 for this case, it is between the largest value and the smallest value, है ना. Average in the above example जो हमारा average आया 15, it is between the largest value एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू. तो एवरेज को पता है अपने पैर कितने फैलाने हैं, एवरेज को पता है अपनी चादर कितनी बड़ी है और उस हिसाब से पैर कितने फैलाने हैं. इन अ वे यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस, बट रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, एवरेज ऑलवेज लाइज बिटवीन द स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू एंड द लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू. इस रेंज के बाहर जा ही नहीं सकता है. एवरेज कैन नॉट बी 10, है ना, बिकॉज इट विल बी स्मॉलर देन 11. एवरेज कैन नॉट बी 23, मोर देन 23. ठीक है, so average will always lie between these smallest and the largest value. Moving forward to C part, pay attention. If we add or subtract all the values of average, if we add or subtract all the values of average by x, then overall average also increases or decreases by x. Okay, so you might not have understood everything from this statement, but what I am trying to say, if I increase each and every term by 2, my overall average will also increase by 2. And you can do the calculation. What will be the new values? 14, 13, 23, 14 and 15. 23, 14 and 15. If I divide it by 5. Number of quantities are 5. So 14 plus 13, 27 plus 23 will be 50. 50 plus, no, 23 plus 2 will become 25. 14 plus 2 will become 16. And 15 plus 2 will become 17. Okay, so 27 plus 25, 52. 52 plus 16 is 68. 68 plus 17 is 85. Divided by 2, the average is 85 divided by 5, the average is 17. Okay, so my point is कि अगर मैंने हर एक वैल्यू को प्लस टू कर दिया, माई ओवरऑल एवरेज इंक्रीजेस बाय +2. अगर मैंने हर एक वैल्यू को -3 कर दिया, माई ओवरऑल एवरेज विल डिक्रीज बाय -3. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस पॉइंट. ठीक है, आई होप सी पॉइंट समझ में आ गया होगा. एंड लास्ट हमारा डी पॉइंट है वेटेड एवरेज, है ना, वेटेड एवरेज. अभी वेटेड एवरेज का एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देता हूं. इन क्लास 10th देयर आर 2 सेक्शंस, सेक्शन ए एंड सेक्शन बी. इसमें नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है 50 एंड 60. देन एवरेज मार्क्स इन अ टेस्ट of section A is 40 marks and average marks of section B is, let us say, 60 marks only. Okay, now we want to find out the combined average of class 10, है ना. तो section A and section B मिला के whatever will be the average, we have to find that out. Okay, so what will be the average marks? For that we will have to calculate the total marks, है ना. How many number of students were there? 50 and their average score is 40. So A and T method, है ना. This total is nothing but average into number, है ना. As I told you, I'll explain the A and T method. This is the A and T method. Total is equal to average into number. So this is your number, this is your average, and this is your total now. So total is nothing but average into number. So average into number, 50 into 40, 2000. 60 into 60, 3600. 60 into 60 will be 3600. Now if I have to calculate the average of the whole class, I'll have to add the totals. 2000 plus 3600 upon total number of students, 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60. So how much is this? This is 6600 divided by 50 plus 60 is how much? 110. Okay, so this 0, 1, the average comes out to be 60. Average comes out to be 60. 3600, 36, 50 plus 60, 110. Yes, average is 60. This is how you calculate weighted average. And a weighted average ka there is a big formula, but then if you use the A and T method to solve weighted average, you will be able to get most of the answers. ठीक है, I will be explaining this A and T method to you in multiple questions hereafter. ठीक है, so I hope you have understood the 4 points. सबसे पहले we have understood the average का formula. Second, we have understood that average always lies between the smallest and the largest value. Third, we have understood that if each term is increased or decreased by a certain value, then the overall average also increases or decreases by that same value. And then D part is weighted average. D part is weighted average. We have calculated it using A and T method. I'll explain you A and T method again when we start solving the questions. So let us directly jump to the questions. What does my first question say? My first question says average of 13 numbers is 20. Average of 13 numbers is 20. Read only first part of the question. If you want to improve your maths, try to follow this process. Read the question in parts. Part by part आप questions read करो. ठीक है, पहला average of 13 numbers. So average number total. Total I know that it is average into number. Total I know that it is average into number. Total is average into number. So the average of first 6 numbers is 18. No, average of 13 numbers is 20. So 13 numbers on the average at 20. So total will be 13 into 20, 260. Total will be 260. Correct? Then average of first 6 numbers is 18. है ना? So first 6 numbers. So how many numbers are those? 6 numbers. Their average is 18. Their average is 18. Now 18 into 6 is how much? 18 into 6 is 108. So total of first 6 numbers is 108. Moving forward. And that of the last 6 numbers is 21. Average of last 6 numbers. है ना? So average of last 6 numbers. है ना? Average of last 6 numbers. It's 21. तो 6 numbers उनका एवरेज अगर 21 है तो टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? 126. ठीक है? 6 into 21 is 126. ठीक है? Now pay attention. What are they asking us to find out? We have to find the 7th number. Pay attention, it is a very easy process. So total there are 13 numbers. 1 to 6, then your 7th number, and then your 8th to 13th number. Okay, these are your first 6 numbers. This is your 7th number. Let us say S. And these are your last 6 numbers. And we know that sum of first 13 numbers is 260. And sum of 13 numbers is 260. Sum of 13 numbers is 260. Sum of first 6 numbers is 108. Sum of first 6 numbers is 108. Then you have the 7th number. And sum of last 6 numbers is 126. Sum of last 6 numbers, that is 8 to 13th. 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. 6 number हो गए. So last 6 numbers का sum is 126. Together we get 260. Together we get 260. So how much is this? 108 plus 126 is 234. 234. 108 plus 126 is 234. Plus this 7th number S is equal to 260. So your S is 260 minus 234, that is 26. Your 7th number is 213 minus 264. 260 minus 234, that is 26. ठीक है? इतना आसान क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है? Now this was the first question. I have given you the example and I have given you the solution. इसके आगे, now we will move to the second question. You will have to pause the video and try it yourself. आपको खुद से ट्राई करना पड़ेगा अगला क्वेश्चन. ठीक है? आप अगला क्वेश्चन खुद से ट्राई करोगे, उसके बाद then you look at the solution. Only then you will understand something. Second question भी A&T मेथड से most probably solve होना चाहिए. Let us look at it. Second question. The average of 20 boys in a colony is 12 years. ठीक है? Now pause the video, try to find out the solution. ठीक है? Read the question, pause the video and try to find out the solution. I am continuing from here. ठीक है? The average age of 20 boys in a colony is 12 years. So average number total. So 20 boys का average is 12 years and average age of 20 boys is 12 years. ठीक है? तो 20 बच्चों का average 12 years. So 20 into 12, 240. 20 into 12, it's 240. Average age of 20 boys is 12 years. So total it's 240. The average of 5 of these boys is 11 years. है ना? Any 5 boys. तो 5 boys का average is 11 years. 5 boys का average is 11 years. तो उनका total 5 into 11, 55. Why? Because total is average into number, no? Total is average into number. Followed by that, the average of other 5 boys is 15 years. Have an average of other 5 boys is 15 years. तो पहले 5 बच्चे लिए, अभी बचे हुए 5 बच्चे, ठीक है. So 5 of these boys is 15 years. So 5 into 15, 75. 5 into 15, 75. Now, what is the average of the remaining boys? Remaining boys कितने हैं अभी? Remaining boys कितने? 20 boys थे, उसमें से पहले 5 ले लिए, and then other 5 we have taken. तो 5 10 बच्चे चले गए. Out of 20, 10 are gone. So remaining boys are 10. Remaining boys are 10. ठीक है? The average age of remaining boys. Now tell me, total of all the 20 boys, and a total of all the 20 boys is equal to total of 5 boys plus total of other 5 boys, and a total of 5 boys plus total of other 5 boys plus the total of remaining boys, and the total of remaining boys, and let us say R भी नाम दे देते हैं उसको, ठीक है. पे अटेंशन, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. ये पूरे 20 बच्चों का एवरेज टोटल एज, इट इज इक्वल टू 5 बच्चों का टोटल एज प्लस दूसरे 5 बच्चों का टोटल एज प्लस रिमेनिंग 10 बच्चों का टोटल एज. सो दिस इज हाउ मच? 240. 55 प्लस 75, 0 1 कैरी 8 13, 130 प्लस रिमेनिंग बॉयज का टोटल. सो रिमेनिंग बॉयज का टोटल 130 इधर जाएगा तो 110. रिमेनिंग बॉयज का टोटल इज 110. रिमेनिंग बॉयज का टोटल इज 110. सो रिमेनिंग बॉयज का टोटल 110 आ गया. वी हैव टू फाइंड देयर एवरेज. सो देयर एवरेज इज नथिंग बट टोटल अपॉन नंबर, नो? सो रिमेनिंग बॉयज का टोटल एज 110. रिमेनिंग बॉयज कितने बच गए? 10 बच गए. तो डिवाइडेड बाय 10, 0 0, 11 इज योर आंसर. एवरेज इज 11, है ना? एवरेज इज 11. ओके, दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू प्रोसीड. ठीक है, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रीड द क्वेश्चन, पॉज द वीडियो, ट्राई इट योरसेल्फ. ओनली देन you will be able to gauge whether you have understood the previous 2 questions or not. ठीक है, I am continuing from here. The average marks of the students of a class in an examination is 78. ठीक है, if 6 students whose average is 42 are excluded. ठीक है, let us say A and T. The average marks of the students of a class in an examination is 78. I don't know how many students are there. How many students are there? Let us say there are n students. Let us say there are n students. Their average is 78. Their average is 78. So their total will be 78 into n. 78n. Their total will be 78 into n. Correct? Next, if 6 students whose average age is 42 marks are excluded. पहले तो मुझे क्या बोला है? 6 स्टूडेंट्स है ना? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 6. उनका एवरेज इज 42. उनका एवरेज इज 42 एंड दे आर एक्सक्लूडेड. सो 42 into 6, 252 marks will be excluded. The average of the remaining students will be 84. Average of the remaining students will be 84. अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं? ये 6 स्टूडेंट्स को निकाल दिया तो बचे हुए स्टूडेंट्स का एवरेज कितना रहेगा? 84. तो बचे हुए स्टूडेंट्स कितने? n-6 बचे हुए स्टूडेंट्स. टोटल देयर आर n स्टूडेंट्स. 6 स्टूडेंट्स आर रिमूव्ड. सो नाउ इट इज n-6 स्टूडेंट्स रिमेनिंग. ओके, नाउ द एवरेज ऑफ दीज रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट्स इज 84. Average of these remaining students is 84. Average of these remaining students is 84. So it will become 84 into n-6. It will be 84 into n-6. Correct? Now pay attention. If 6 students are eliminated or excluded, then their total also gets excluded, right? So this is the overall total of n students. This is the overall total of n students. From this I am excluding 252, which is the total of 6 students, It is equal to the overall total of the remaining students. We have got the equation, now just we have to solve it. Let us pay attention here. 78n minus 252 is equal to 84n minus 84 into 6 is 504. 84 into 6 is 504. Okay, so this 78n goes here. 84n minus 78n is 6n. This minus 504 comes here, becomes plus 504 minus 252. It becomes plus 504 minus 252. 504 minus 252, if you do it, you get 252. And 504 minus 252 is actually 252. So what we have got? 252 is equal to 6n. So n is equal to 252 divided by 6, which will be 42. Total number of students who wrote the examination, we have got n is equal to 42. So total number of students who have wrote the examination are 42. As simple as that. Total number of students who have written the examination are 42. इतना simple है. ठीक है? Moving forward to the next question. Again, pause the video, try to solve it. I am continuing. In a group of 6 members, after replacing an old member by a new member, the average age of 6 members of the group is same as it was 2 years ago. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखिए अभी. ठीक है. In a group of 6 members, after replacing an old member by a new member, the average age of 6 members of the group is same as it was 2 years ago. Pay attention. Again, A and T method. In a group of 6 members, let us say their average was A. So 6 into A, total will become 6A. 6 into 8, total will become 6A. After replacing an old member by a new member. तो इससे हुआ क्या? ये जो टोटल था 6A, इसमें से ओल्ड मेंबर निकाल दिया एंड न्यू मेंबर ऐड कर दिया. इसमें से ओल्ड मेंबर निकाल दिया एंड न्यू मेंबर ऐड कर दिया. ठीक है, इसमें से ओल्ड मेंबर निकाल दिया एंड न्यू मेंबर ऐड कर दिया, है ना. ओल्ड मेंबर इज एल आई एम टेकिंग, बिकॉज इफ आई टेक ओ तो वो 0 दिखेगा. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन एल. नाउ ओल्ड मेंबर निकाल दिया, न्यू मेंबर लेके आ गए. नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स आर स्टिल 6, नो. Number of members are still 6 only. But because of this replacement, old को निकाल के new को लेके आ गए, their average was same as it was 2 years ago. उनका average जो है वो A-2 हो गया. सिंपल है. अगर अभी उनका average age 25 है तो 2 years ago उनका average age 23 था ना. तो सेम, अगर उनका average age अभी A है, so 2 years ago their average age would be A-2. That is what we have written here. ठीक है. The average age of 6 members of the group is same as it was 2 years ago. Okay. Now we have got this. This is my total. This is my number. This is my average. Average is equal to total upon number of quantities. Average is how much? A-2. Total is how much? 6A minus L plus N. Okay. Divided by number is how much? 6. Okay, as simple as that. Take this 6 over here, what do we get? Take this 6 over here, what do we get? We get 6A minus 12. 6A minus 12 is equal to 6A minus L plus N. 6A minus L plus N. ये 6A, ये 6A कट गया ना. What they are asking? Difference between the ages of the replaced member and the new member. So this is minus 12 is equal to minus L plus N. If I multiply it by minus 1, it will become 12 is equal to L minus N. तो डिफरेंस बिटवीन ओल्ड मेंबर एंड न्यू मेंबर इज 12 years. डिफरेंस बिटवीन ओल्ड मेंबर एंड न्यू मेंबर इज 12 years ओनली. इतना सिंपल है. ओके, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है, दिस इज आवर, सो दिस वॉज आवर होल पीपीटी ऑन एवरेजेस. यहाँ पे हमने अलग अलग टाइप के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए बेस्ड ऑन एवरेजेस. ठीक है, as you must have observed, we have increased the level of difficulty as well. These are the type of questions that are actually asked in your BBA entrance exams like SET and PAT, Christ University, BBA, CET. यही लेवल के क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछेंगे. इवन MIT, CET, यही लेवल के क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछे जाएंगे. सो मेक श्योर कि आप ये पूरा अच्छे से देखो, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी डू लेट अस नो. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद.